So we're going to learn a different method to solve quadratic equations by completing the square. So we have the expression x squared plus 14x minus 51 equals 0. So the first thing that you need to do is move everything that doesn't have an x to the other side. So I'm going to add 51 to both sides. That's going to give you x squared plus 14x. That's going to equal to 51. Now, we're actually going to fill this part out. To fill that part out, we're actually going to look at the second term, which is going to be 14x, and we actually only care about the number. So we're going to grab the number, b is equal to 14, and to complete the square, you're going to do b divided by 2, and then we're going to square it. So now you're going to get 14 divided by 2, and then you're going to square it. That's going to be 49. When you add 49 to one side, you need to add it to the other side. Now that we have this, we're going to simplify the right side. That's going to give you 100. Now you're looking for two numbers that when you multiply them gives you 49, but when you add them it gives you 14. You're going to get a square, so that's going to be x plus 7, x plus 7, and that's going to be equal to 100. Whenever you have something like this, you actually need to rewrite it as x plus 7 square equals 100. Now, you need to find the square root of that. So the square roots cancel, and now you have x plus 7 is going to be equal to plus or minus 10. And it's plus or minus 10 because negative 10 times negative 10 gives you 100, and 10 times 10 gives you 100. So you can have either option. So now you need to divide this into two cases. The first one with x plus 7 equals 10, and the second one x plus 7 equals negative 10. So I'm going to subtract 7 from this side, and you get x is equal to 3, and in the other side, now I'm going to subtract 7, and you get x is equal to negative 17. So the two answers that you have is x is equal to 3 and 17. And that's how you complete the square.